How about the ICI, sir?
Well, this is a farce. ICI is a farce office. In fact,
When you say farce, it's just...
it's for show.
Oh, meaning...
Meaning to say that it's a facade for the real culprits. Kasi sino ba talagang responsible dito sa pera na nilustay? Saan ba nanggaling?
Yeah.
Oh, 'di ba sa General Appropriations Act? Eh dapat nga pinatawag 'yan. Yung ICI pinatawag. Pero let's go to the ICI. There is a pending case now raising constitutionality of the ICI, which I've read the Truth Commission issue.
Yeah.
It was declared unconstitutional. Walang kaibahan ito eh.
Yeah.
It was just changed a little bit.
Same.
Pinalawak lang ng konti yung coverage.
So same.
Pero it's still an issue of unequal protection.
It should be the ombudsman doing it.
It should, and saka usurpation of the powers of the ombudsman. Maraming issue yung ICI. At the same time, will it really truly answer the cravings of the people to draw blood from the crocodiles? Hindi. Hindi pwede.
Yeah.
Why? Because at the end of the day, yung report, dadaan mo na kay Marcos eh. At siyang pipili kung anong sasabihin niya o hindi. Kung yung question ni Chavit na...
Ayun, nabanggit mo.
yung question ni Chavit na dapat
unahin.
imbestigahan kasi bakit nakarating ang mga diskaya doon? O what if upon the ICI may recommendation na i-prosecute ito si Sandro Marcos or yung mga kamag-anak? I-erase ni Marcos, wag ito, anak ko ito eh. O siya may final say sa ICI eh.
So may poprotektahan.
Siyempre, because they are not really independent. It is only a matter of nomenclature.
What do you mean?
Ayun.
Nomenclature.
Sinasabi mo, independent. Pero is it really independent? Ang independent, yung talagang walang, sila lang, yung si Reyes, si Babe Singson, tsaka yung auditor, sila lang yung may final say. So, if decide na ito, liable ito, diretso na sa ombudsman. Pero, under sila kay Marcos eh.
Yes. Tama.
They report to him for the final, kasi they are created by the president, by executive order.
Okay. Dito, sir, sa mga investigation ng Senate, may mga lumalabas